Welcome to episode number 75. What you're seeing here is the outside paneling, what we are focusing. The entrance door paneling. This is the main passage. Moving in the kitchen area. Open kitchen come the bar unit, the bar area and the breakfast counter. So it is majorly the carpentry which is going on in this week. Along with carpentry, there are few other agencies like painting work is going on, plus even minor false ceiling jobs which were pending due to some technical decisions have also been initiated. So this is the paint finishing for the walls, and the thing which I mentioned about the false ceiling was this part which was pending, as there was a plaster and some other activities which was still not dried. So that is going on. This is the master bedroom. Also you might have already seen that all the furniture, all the places where we have our furniture were previously painted, because once the units are fixed, then definitely there is no access for the wall finishing to be done. So we follow that like on each and every project. In the kids bedroom as well, the electrical slot cuttings, plus the profile light fixing, I mean the base putty for profile light fixing is also going on. So that's it for the day today. Thank you so much guys for being patient and enjoying the series. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.